the staff, clefs and ledger lines. The staff is the foundation upon which notes are drawn. The modern staff comprises 5 lines and 4 spaces. Every line or space on the staff represents a white key on the keyboard. Clefs assign individual notes to certain line or spaces. Treble clef and bass clef. First, we will discuss the treble clef, also called the G clef, the staff line which the clef wraps around, shown in red, is known as G. Any note placed on this line becomes G. The note on the space above G is A. Remember, there's no H note. The note on the line above A is B. The process continues. Ergo, we just ran out of room to place notes. What happens now? Ledger lines will solve the dilemma. A ledger line is a small line that extends the staff when we run out of room. With the ledger line drawn, we can place the... Next, let's discuss the bass clef A, so-called the F clef. The staff in between the 2 dots of the clef is... We can now fill the rest of the staff with notes. Finally, we will discuss the grand staff. Watch what happens when we eliminate the middle line. We end up with 2 regular staffs. By adding a treble clef to the top staff and a bass clef to the bottom staff, we can see the relationship between the 2 staff. Notice how the 2 clefs are joined by the CK. The C is commonly called the middle CC, since it corresponds to the middle staff line on the grand staff. Thank you, and PS subscribe.